I've heard the words as if you could save your blood and it please the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, the water king composing hallelujah, 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 His faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty hands and light over Syria. She tied to you her kitchen chair. She brought your throne and she carried her, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. I've been here before. I've seen this room, I walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew ya. I've seen your flag on the marble arch, and love is not a victory match. It's a chord and it's a broken hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Was the time you let me know what's really going on below? And now you never showed that to me, do ya? Remember when I moved into the holy day was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outthrew ya. And it's not a cry what you hear at night. It's not somebody who's seen the light. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, oh hallelujah, oh hallelujah, oh hallelujah, hallelujah. Hallelujah, Hallelujah.